Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. So I just washed my hair, that's why it's in this t-shirt. I asked you on my Instagram what style would you like for me to do, the extra small perm rods. I haven't done any since I've cut the blonde out of my hair, so I want to do that. See a review of this WETLINE XTREME gel. Now, I have heard so many good things about this gel and I wanted to give it a try for myself. I don't do many wash and goes, or I don't really use gel at all. The only gel I really use is this gel by Kinky-Curly. It's the original curling custard. This is a natural styling gel and I really do like this. It is a bit pricey. It's $16.99 and this gel right here is $2.99. So I was getting ready to go to Georgia and I saw it, so I decided to pick it up and just have it if I wanted to use it. So I don't know how it's gonna work in my hair. I've never used it before, but based off of a lot of videos I've seen where they have used this gel, a lot of people did like it for the most part. So I want to use this gel, and I was just talking to someone earlier today about how this gel is really good, but $17 can be a bit pricey, especially when you're buying it over and over again, versus this gel, which is only $3. So I wanted to give it a try, see how I'm gonna like it. Maybe, maybe not. So my hair is freshly washed. Ooh. So my hair has been in this t-shirt for about an hour now, just drying while I did my makeup and I was playing with my children. I did pre-poo my hair and then I followed it up with the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair line. I used the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner. So I am going to use this leave-in conditioner. You know, I always use a leave-in conditioner no matter what style I'm doing. That is very important to me. I'm just going to section my hair into quadrants as I always do. I also got these crop clips from Ulta. I know I do have a lot of clips, but they got me with this animal print, so I had to buy it. So I'm going to spray some water in my hair first before I do apply the leave-in conditioner, just because I really want the leave-in conditioner to absorb into my hair strands. I really like how this line makes my hair look and feel. My curls do clump together. I'm just gonna put a good amount of the leave-in conditioner in my hair and make sure I get the ends. That is very important. Don't neglect the ends of your hair. They are the oldest, so they do need the most TLC. And I'm just gonna massage my scalp and the roots just to make sure that the leave-in conditioner is worked in very well on the roots and also the length of my hair. I don't want, you know, just the leave-in conditioner to be on the outside, but I want to work the leave-in conditioner on the inside as well. Very important. You don't want to skip any areas of hair. Okay, and then I'm going to use some jojoba oil. This is by Desert Essence. I'm using jojoba oil just because it is a lighter oil. I don't want to use a heavier oil and then go in with this gel here when I've never used it. So I just want to use lightweight products for now. Okay, and now I'm gonna work on the other 3 sections of my hair. And what I've noticed ever since I applied the leave-in conditioner and then the oil, I twist it up just to let all the products marinate together. My hair has felt so much more moisturized and it is ready for the cream, the gel, whatever I put in my hair afterwards. It just feels so much better. So now it is time for this big gel. I know that a lot of people liked it because it did have aloe vera in it. It didn't have any residue. It's alcohol free and it has a UV filter. And also looking at the ingredients, it seems pretty good. So it's in my safety zone, which is always good. So let me, just like that, it's easy. I wish it had like a little cover on it so you can peel it off so you know it's fresh. That would be something good for them to do. So I'm just going to take a small section of hair in the back. I'm going to turn around a little bit just so you could see the section of hair. And I'm going to apply about a quarter size of gel into this section. I know that may seem like a lot, but I really like a lot of holds. So it seems to be going on pretty smoothly. Just this part right here didn't get hit with the gel, so I'm gonna put a little teeny bit more on this section. But I do like the way that it's clumping my curls. And I also have my Denman brush that's gonna help me smooth this gel in my hair. I really like using the dimming brush. I feel that it's really good. It really helps my styles, especially when I do wash and goes. I used to always do wash and goes. So I know my hair, it looks a little bit straight right now, but once it dries, it's gonna be good. So I'm just going to twirl the sections, and this is just gonna help enhance the curl. But so far, I do like it. I'm gonna do it one more time, just one more time, just to make sure. All of the hair. And then I just twirl the brush like this, because that really helps the ends of my hair to curl. So when I do wear my hair out in a wash and go, it looks really good. Ooh, this little curl back here. Yeah, I really like how my hair is looking so far. I know that when my hair dries, it is gonna look really good. So I'm gonna keep going, just taking small sections of hair and then applying the WETLINE Extreme Gel, and then using the dimming brush to further smooth in the gel. Then I'm gonna take small pieces of hair and just twirl it around my fingers to help enhance the curl. Have to make sure I get the ends of my hair. That is very important. I don't want them getting frizzy at all. This seems pretty good. So you see how my hair is now right here? I really want my curls to be like this, but more defined. Look at this definition. My curls are really clumping together. I'm just loving the way my hair is looking. Ooh, this definition is exactly what I love. I know many of you ask me, do I like definition or volume more? The answer is definition. I am taking a good amount of this gel. I find that that's what's giving me my desired results. So I'm gonna put all of that through the length of my hair. And I'm really making sure I get the ends of my hair, so I will apply a little bit more. I know it seems like a lot of product, but this gel is giving me the results that I want. I'm just gonna smooth that in with the dimming brush. So you see how now it doesn't look so good, but as I'm smoothing the ends of my hair, I'm being very gentle. So once I have successfully brushed through the ends of my hair and they start looking like this is what I want. So I want my curls to be really smoothed down. I don't want them looking like how they just did a few moments ago. So I'm just gonna continue to brush the rest of my hair to the root, just like that. I want to make sure that I'm smoothing in this gel really good. So you see how I'm smoothing it out, and then I'm twirling the brush upwards. So it's almost like a big curl, but as I smooth my hair again, and I'm just twirling little sections of hair around my finger, that's when I'm getting the definition. So I already know my hair is going to look so good. I'm not gonna wanna wash it, but I'm going to Georgia next week. I have to leave on Wednesday, so I probably will wash my hair because I want my hair to look good when I go to Georgia. Yeah. Look at this definition. My hair has not looked so defined in a while, but my hair, it looks so good. I can't stop touching it. So I'm starting to add a little bit of frizz. Let me just stop touching my hair. I'm going to continue on the rest of my hair. Okay, so I just finished applying the gel to all of my hair, as you can see now, and it looks really, really good. My curls, they are curling a lot, and that's a good sign. So I know by the time that my curls dry, I'm gonna have so much definition. And then as they dry, once they're completely dry, I'm just gonna pull apart the curls so I can have more volume. So I already know that my hair is going to look nice. Here is how my hair looks. It looks really good so far. It is now 7:53. So I don't have much time to go out. So my hair should be maybe like 80% dry. So I will check in when I do come back home. Okay, so I am back and it is currently 12:38 in the morning. So it is now Sunday and here is how my hair looks. So it's pretty much almost dry like I said before. I really like the definition, especially the ends of my hair. I like how it is coming out, but I'm about to go to sleep now. So I'm just going to wrap my hair up and then I'm going to just fluff it and just, you know, give it the extra zhuzh tomorrow. Well, later on today. Alright, so I am ready to go to bed, so I'll see you in the morning. Okay, so today is the next morning. I did my makeup. I plan to go out again today. Cairo has a baseball game, so I'm going to go to that, and also I am going to do a little bit of shopping. I want to get more equipment for my filming. Let me know how you like this setup. Anyways, I have my hair is in here in this bonnet, so I haven't taken it off, so let's see how my hair looks. Okay, I can see it's like a little mush. I just need to fluff it a little bit. But my hair, it looks good. It looks good. It's just I need to fluff it out. And I think, you know, fluffing it out, giving it some more volume. Right now it looks a little flat, but that's okay. I'm going to separate my hair a little bit more for some more volume. My hair is pretty much dry. It's a little damp here, like in the middle. But separate my curls. Okay, so I'm still separating my hair. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. So see, there's a big curl like this. All I'm doing is just putting my finger and then it's gonna naturally separate, and then I'm just gently pulling it apart. So be gentle so you don't cause unnecessary frizz. Okay, so I just finished separating most of the curls and look at this definition. Oh, my hair, it feels good and it looks good. So there's just a slight crunch, but nothing major. So I am going to apply a little bit more of the jojoba oil to my hair just to scrunch the crunch out. Now I'm going to decide how I want to wear my part. I always wear a part in my hair. I never just have it back. I just feel like it doesn't look right on me that way. So I'll either have a deep right side part. I don't really wear my hair to the left, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I wanna do something a little bit different. So I'm going to use the pick and just create a part. So I think that looks good like that. So now I'm just gonna use a little bit of the gel and just kind of smooth my edges out a little bit, and then I'm gonna use a couple bobby pins just to clip my hair down. Now I'm gonna use my pick and just create a little bit of volume. You know, I love volume. Okay, I think that looks really nice. I really like this deep side left part. Let me know what you think. One more thing, I'm gonna add these little accent charms from Can2. I got these from Target. I thought these were pretty cute. They have silver and gold. I'm a gold lover. I really love gold. Clip it. I think that looks pretty. I absolutely love the results, and I'm glad I tried this gel out. I'm actually going to go to Target later on today amongst the stores that I have to go to, and I will be picking up maybe 3 of these gels just to have as backups. I don't do wash and goes often, but with these results, I am gonna be doing a lot more. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me and my channel. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.